Hey guys, just getting ready to put the rear housing on. So last check, got everything cleaned up, got the gaskets down, and checked the timing again. One last chance. So the O's are the standard timing. Got my silver weights all torqued down. 50 foot-pounds for that. These cam nuts are 300 foot-pounds. The bearings in here for the idler gear. And there's no timing on the blower drive or the fuel pump drive. Governor fuel pump drive. Well, we got the housing torqued down and installed the oil pump pickup and drilled and tapped a hole for the dipstick here. And put the rear seal in and this wear sleeve as well. So all that's in, and I used the old liner to install that with. Someday I'll buy a seal installer. So the oil pan goes on next. I haven't cleaned it out since the engine failure, but it's full of debris, minus the liner pieces, but lots of metal in that oil. Yeah, there's still some chunks of liner in there and coolant. Now I'll clean that all up and then install it back on the engine. Yeah, once the oil pan's on, then I'm taking it off the engine stand and putting it on the test stand for the final build. So we're not too far from starting this up. Gotta do my valves now, put the jake heads down, torque those down, and then go through the overhead on a separate video of setting up the valves, the injectors, the rack. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for further updates on this 453T build. Thanks a lot. Take care.